So we're in Bayville now to check out this farm to see if they have any. Are they supposed to have berries?
In the picture they showed it.
They did. I hope they do, because we're looking for fresh berries. Because our strawberries are like 1 and 2 at a time while they're growing. See you next Tuesday. Thanks.
This place doesn't look very.
No, it doesn't. Moors.
Oh, there's people here.
Yeah, but I'm like, we can maybe go somewhere else too. Depending on how it goes. This ain't no Reynolds.
Yeah, it's not no Reynolds.
See you next Tuesday. See you next Tuesday. I don't see no berries.
Look at this old bug.
Oh wow.
Oh, brother.
Moore's Farm Market Garden Center, Jersey blueberries, honey. What are they calling honey? What does that say? A lamppost? Richard Lewis.
Honey?
No, I'm not naked again. We're like, are you naked again? No, I'm wearing a tube top dress. Alright, let's go check this place out. Gotta grab my drink. I like that sign. A blossom shop, florist, grads and dads, rainbow roses. What are they trying to say? What are they trying to say?
I'm gonna put this over my drink so it doesn't stay warm.
I'm gonna bring mine with me, but I'm gonna leave the water. I hope it doesn't get hot. Yeah, I got some ready. It's bored.
Good for your kids.
Alright. Ooh, they have cauliflower. Purple cauliflower. What is that one? Do they have wagons? Or do you have to... Oh, is that from here?
Yeah.
Do you think we're allowed to use that?
Yeah.
Yeah, can we grab it? Collards. And they have other cauliflower, but I would try the purple one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts sound interesting. Oh, they have the salad too. That Brussels sprout one right here that's kind of beat up kind of looks good.
Let's see what they got. Wait, so you want to get the cauliflower?
Yeah, I want to get a couple of these vegetables. Thanks, mates. Can we grab this one?
Yeah.
The Brussels sprouts?
This one?
Yeah, even though it's a little beat, I still like the way it looks. And then one of the purple cauliflowers.
Oh. They all look cool. We'll probably bring them back.
Not that. No, one of these. See how like it has the little flowers in there? That means it's growing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I think. Yeah, either one's good, I think. The one up front looks more better to me. Yeah, thanks. Red cabbage, I don't know about that one. Cauliflower. Yeah, can we get one of these? Oh, I see how it grows. See that?
I see, yeah.
It's kind of like a pepper, how like the flower comes out and then the fruit, the vegetable comes out of the flower. I'm gonna have to pause this. I didn't realize that impatiens were as impatient as they sound. They didn't do well at all where we put them. Wait, are any of the other ones fully done? Because that one looks like crap, or you don't care?
I don't know, they're all weird.
Oh. Because if you're going to spend the money, I would say get a full one.
Yeah, it's hard to find.
Oh,
there we go.
yeah, get one that's not missing pieces. That's what I would do.
Maybe we'll find it. Maybe we'll look around flower. They're all like half done.
Yeah.
Right.
Save me.
Well, that's a good one.
Yeah, I would switch that out for the one you saw. And then maybe take another one for another one. But they say they're good to keep away mosquitoes and like garden crap. Maybe put that
This
in.
one's good. It's got two that did a bloom yet.
Oh, okay.
It's missing one. That's
You don't care?
Yeah.
You don't want a discount?
They all got one that's kind of messed up.
Yeah. That's like one we have.
Yeah. Doesn't look like that though.
No. I wonder what their secret is. Whoopsies, shopping haul. We got all this and a bucket full of produce and cherries for Daniel's mom.
Marigold.
And some more vegetables to grow. And we got this decorative stand and a sun and then a sun and a moon because I had to. I'm taking pride back. I mean, I'm taking the rainbow back. I wanted to show you some of the stuff we got at the farm. So we got this 2-in-1 planter. We wound up compromising on yellow. And we got all this good produce. We got an English cucumber, because I felt like it. And 2 of these onions. I think these are sweet onions. And as you can see. And we got 1 red onion, which looked very good, better than what I've been seeing at the grocery store lately. And we got 1 tomato. And we got a pear. I think these are the Bosco ones. I like these. These are my favorite. This was like probably the best one they had out of all this kind. And then I got 4 garlic bulbs. You know, the garlic bulb. They got 4 of these. These look much better than what they had at the grocery store. I'm going to put them in a separate bowl to separate from my other garlic. And I'll show you what the ones look like from the grocery store to see what I mean. And then I got this 1 jalapeno because we didn't have to go crazy with the jalapeno. We're going to have a skirt steak, also known as hanger steak, I guess you'd call it. Tacos for a change. And I got a jalapeno. And I'm also growing jalapenos in our garden, but they're not near ready yet. They haven't even started to sprout. I got 2 avocados, but I don't think these are ready for dinner tonight. And not at all. This one, I don't know, maybe, but I doubt it. And then I got 2 limes. These look pretty darn good. So I'm gonna take these out because these have to go in the garden of muse. We're gonna plant the spinach that we got today, and I think this one and something else, another one. We'll see. And these were the grocery store garlics, so if you know what I mean, like these are like the best they probably had in a while, but they haven't been looking good on the inside. Let me tell you, they don't. Farm fresh versus not.